Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want your PowerPoint slides to look clean, organized, and eye-catching, today's video is exactly what you need. I'll show you how to apply custom bullets and numbering in Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 and Microsoft 365. Perfect for giving your presentations that extra professional touch. Whether you're creating a class project, a business pitch, or just want to stand out, this 2025 full guide will walk you through every step. Open your presentation. First, open your PowerPoint file and go to the slide where you want to add or customize bullets or numbering. Make sure you've already added the text you want to format. This way, you can see the changes as they happen. Select your text next. Use your mouse to highlight the specific text or list you want to format. This is important because PowerPoint will only apply your bullets or numbering to the text you select. If you forget this step, nothing will change. Access the formatting tools. Now head to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. In the paragraph group, you'll see two key icons, bullets and numbering. Click the bullet icon to instantly apply default bullet points. Click the numbering icon to add a simple, sequential list. This is the fastest way to create basic bullets or numbers. Customize your bullets. Here's where the magic happens. If you want something more unique than the default black dots, click the small arrow next to the bullet icon and select Bullets and Numbering. A dialog box will appear where you can choose different bullet symbols, click Customize to pick a symbol from the built-in library, or click Picture to use your own image as a bullet, like a star, a check mark, or even your logo. Adjust the size and color until it matches your slide design perfectly. Customize your numbering. For numbered lists, click the arrow next to the numbering icon. From here, you can change the number style, such as Roman numerals, letters, or fancy formatting. Adjust alignment and starting numbers if you need a list to begin with something other than one. Apply and review. When you're happy with your customizations, click OK. Review your slide to make sure everything lines up correctly. You can always tweak spacing or font size to keep the look consistent. And that's it. You've just learned how to apply custom bullets and numbering in PowerPoint 2019 and Microsoft 365. With these simple steps, you can make your slides more organized, stylish, and impactful. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and powerful PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.